Welcome back to Future Fuel, your ultimate destination for all things automotive. Today we're diving deep into the world of luxury performance with the 2025 Porsche 911. Let's explore what makes this car an enduring legend and how Porsche has elevated it for the future. The Porsche 911 is more than a car, it's a statement. A lineage that dates back to 1964, this model has consistently set benchmarks in design, engineering and driving dynamics. The 2025 edition brings an exciting blend of heritage and innovation, keeping the 911 at the forefront of automotive excellence. Exterior design. Let's start with the design. The 2025 Porsche 911 maintains its iconic silhouette, low, wide, and unmistakably aerodynamic. Porsche has refined every detail for a sharper, more contemporary appearance. Sleek LED matrix headlights now feature a futuristic flare, while the elongated rear light bar stretches seamlessly across the back, emphasizing its bold stance. The use of lightweight materials like aluminium and carbon fiber ensures the 911 is as agile as ever. A range of vibrant new colors and wheel designs allows buyers to express their unique style. Whether on city streets or mountain roads, the 911 is sure to turn heads. Powertrain and performance. Under the hood, the 2025 Porsche 911 offers a lineup of engines that cater to enthusiasts of all levels. The base Carrera model is powered by a twin-turbocharged 3.0-liter flat-six, delivering 385 horsepower. For those seeking more thrill, the Turbo S variant cranks out an astonishing 640 horsepower, rocketing from 0 to 60 in under 2.6 seconds. What's new this year? Porsche introduces a hybrid variant, combining its iconic flat-six engine with an electric motor for enhanced performance and efficiency. The hybrid system adds instant torque while maintaining Porsche's signature driving dynamics. The 8-speed PDK dual-clutch transmission ensures lightning-fast gear shifts, while the optional manual gearbox continues to appeal to purists. With adaptive suspension, rear axle steering, and active aerodynamics, the 911 remains a driver's dream, offering precision handling and an unparalleled connection to the road. Interior and technology. Step inside and the 2025 Porsche 911 greets you with a perfect balance of luxury and sportiness. The cabin is driver-fenced, featuring high-quality materials such as leather, alcantara, and brushed aluminium. Porsche's signature analog tachometer is complemented by dual digital displays, blending tradition with modernity. The 12.3-inch touchscreen infotainment system is powered by Porsche Communication Management, offering seamless navigation, smartphone integration, and voice commands. A new augmented reality heads-up display projects essential information directly onto the windshield, keeping your focus on the road. For audiophiles, the available Burmester sound system delivers concert-quality audio, ensuring every drive is an immersive experience. Heated and ventilated seats, customizable ambient lighting, and advanced climate control systems add to the luxury. Advanced safety. Porsche has also stepped up its game in safety. The 2025911 comes equipped with cutting-edge features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera system. The night vision assist ensures optimal visibility, even in low-light conditions. For track enthusiasts, Porsche's Track Precision app allows you to analyze your performance, providing data on lap times, speed, and braking points. It's the perfect companion for those looking to push the limits on the circuit. The verdict. The 2025 Porsche 911 is a masterpiece of engineering, blending timeless design with cutting-edge technology. Whether you're an enthusiast craving performance, a collector appreciating its legacy, or someone who simply loves exceptional cars, the 911 delivers on every level. Starting at $110,000, the 2025 Porsche 911 offers a wide range of trims and customization options to fit your taste and budget. It's not just a car, it's an experience, an icon, and a piece of history that continues to evolve. Thanks for tuning into Future Fuel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more deep dives into the most exciting cars of today and tomorrow. Hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Until next time, drive safe and stay fueled for the future. Excellence buys increasingly teach by taking on more control of their emotions, by spreading ideas and stepping away from the prescription that passes for ease.